3 weeks from now, you will be in a better situation. Claim it. It is so hard to be in the crypto market right now, guys. But if we pull through this, if we hodl and the market starts turning to the upside, we own it. We deserve it. An 11% dip in the market in 7 days. It seems like everybody's running for the hills. But if we go back in time to like 2017 bull run, we were going down by like, we would go down by like 20% in a day, 25% in a week. Now the moves are a little bit lower, and that has to deal with our market cap being so high. Our market cap is so high right now at a 1.1 trillion. The moves are not as big. But as you can see for the smaller market cap coins, like even Ethereum at a 483 million, it's down 15%. If we look at some even smaller coins that are actually holding out really well compared to Bitcoin, we look at Cardano, Solana down 15%, the Bitcoin's 11%. That's still pretty good compared to where we used to be, guys. Definitely compared to where we used to be. Some of these other coins like Uniswap and Chainlink's down 23%. I don't really know why Chainlink would be down so much. It's kind of a bummer, but hey guys, this is like max pain. Like this is really hard. Like I wake up in the morning, I look at my phone, I'm like, oh. I'm like, dang it. Like, man. But hey, this is the nature of crypto, and I'm not selling. I actually just bought the dip. I actually bought Cody, C-O-T-I, and yeah, it went down a lot, so I bought some more. I think it could certainly go up in value. And this is the price. These are the price targets that we've been looking for, guys. People have been saying Cardano is going to touch back down to $1.70 for months now. I remember 5 months ago they said Cardano had to touch 170 again. And lo and behold, it did. It touched 170. I didn't think that day would come again in this short of time span, but here we are. It touched 170 and then bounced right back up to where we are now. Look at that. It touched 172. Shabam. Bounced back to 180. Guys, the Cardano market doesn't look good right now, if I'm being totally honest. But the feel and the vibe that I get from this is that this is a bottom right here, guys. I really, like, it feels like we're at a bottom right now with Cardano. It's like max pain. And yeah, I would not be surprised if we saw a move up from here. I will not be surprised one bit. We saw some kind of a move like this. And this is targeting around mid-December, like I called. I think we can start moving. I'll give it a few more weeks, guys. This gets me into my next point. 3 weeks from now, you will be in a better situation. Claim it. It is so hard to be in the crypto market right now, guys. But if we pull through this, if we hodl and the market starts turning to the upside, we own it. We deserve it. But if you sell now, if you sell all your crypto now and run for the hills, you got no one else to blame but yourself. The market could keep going down. I'm not saying it can't. But I don't think so. I don't think so. I think we're going to start going up from here. Everybody keeps talking about this is the last dip before the bull run, or this is the last dip before the peak. Well, guys, I'm going to tell you something. There is going to be a last dip. One of these dips is going to be the last dip before the bull run, before the blow off peak. And that's what, if you're watching this channel, that's what we're waiting on. I've been in this market for 4 years and I've been dying for this moment. I want this more than anything. I want this more than anything for this blow off top to happen, guys. But if we look at some other scenarios, let's look at the bear case of this scenario. Let's look at the bear case. What if there isn't a blow off top? What if it's just steady growth, like the supercycle people are talking about? What if that's what happens? What if this market rolls into next year? What if Bitcoin doesn't peak in December? What if it's flat? What if it just grows next year, like organically, from all this good news? Because guys, I'm going through the news. I went through all the news on the internet today, and I couldn't find anything. There was no bad news other than people talking about the price going down. There was no bad news. The SEC said that you need to tell them if you made a trade more than $10,000, which I thought everybody already knew that. I thought that was already law. If you make a trade over 10 grand, you need to report that. I don't think people are, because you can't enforce that, but I think that's what's causing the market to go down right now. But this is the regulation that everyone's been calling for years. These are the ETFs everyone's been calling for years. This is everything everybody's wanted for years. And the price doesn't reflect it at the moment because humans are emotional beings. But if we erase all the emotion and we don't even look at the price, let's not look at the price, guys. Just think. Think about the fundamentals. What's good right now? We have ETFs. We have SEC regulation. We have all the miners moving to the United States of America. The United States is the largest miner of Bitcoin in the world now. We have the largest mining facility in Texas throughout the whole United States. This is good news, guys. Bitcoin's becoming more and more scarce. Bitcoin holders who bought at 20K refuse to sell Bitcoin at all-time highs. This is the latest data from Glassnode. Bitcoin buyers hold their nerve. The bull market still has a ways to go, guys. The bull market has a ways to go. We're just not there yet. It's taking longer than, yeah, I want to get rich overnight too, just like you guys. I want it to go up tomorrow. I want to hit $100,000 tomorrow so I can go head to the beach and have margaritas and do whatever I want. But let's live in reality, guys. Let's live in reality. This doesn't just come overnight. This is something you earn over time. This doesn't just happen. This isn't luck. This is being a long-term holder is not easy, guys. Just like Warren Buffett said, investing is just transferring money from the impatient to the patient. It's the transfer of wealth from impatient people to patient. So if you're being impatient right now and you're selling, you're just transferring your money to the people that are super rich right now. That's why they say the rich get richer, guys, because the money's being transferred to them. And they have multiple sources of income, so they could buy Bitcoin, and Bitcoin can go down 15, 20%, and they don't care. They'll just keep buying because they have money flowing in. But for a lot of us guys out there and girls, we don't have crazy consistent income to just throw millions and millions of dollars at Bitcoin and not care and look down the five-year term, which is what my plan is, by the way. Go down the 5-10-year investment plan, because I know it's going to pay off for us in the end. We are going to be some of the richest people right now if we can hold on to this max pain scenario. Bitcoin should be going up soon based on previous bull runs. I mean, this looks like a bottom to me. This looks like, when you see a price dip this much, we look at Bitcoin, it dipped this much. It went from 66,000 to 57,000 in 3 days. So almost down 10 grand in 3 days, guys. It can go up 20 grand in 3 days. Don't forget it. Don't count that out. It can go 20 grand in 3 days, just like it went down. I think we're going to start seeing some upward momentum here. I think the FUD on Bitcoin's price doesn't correlate with the fundamental analysis. And the fundamentals are going to catch up soon. We're oversold right now. And buying Bitcoin now, buying crypto now, your favorite cryptos, could be a wise decision. That is not financial advice. If you look at the ADA chart, guys, it looks like we're going down, but like I said, this looks like a bottom to me. I could see some upward momentum from here. This looks like a bottom right here. Boom, bottom. Let's look at the 6-month chart. Look what happened last time we hit a bottom. If we look at this point right here, this was max pain here. I remember this dip we had in this area. This was max pain right here. We were down from all-time highs at around 240 and we crashed all the way back down to $1, and there was so much FUD in the space. People were selling like no other. This looks similar to this to me. Look, we had a price point. Boom. Let me draw some lines for you guys to see it better. We had an all-time high. Boom. Bottom. From there. Bottom. All-time high. We hit our all-time high. Boom. Bottom again. This looks like a bottom to me, guys. It looks similar to this position right here. So I think we're going to go up from here. FUD is at an all-time high. I've been in the market for a long time, and I'm unsure about it too. But if I'm being honest, it looks like we're going to go up. Based on everything that's going on right now, guys. So stick with it. Stick to the game plan. Plus, the S&P 500 is still going up. It hasn't gone down. Inflation is at an all-time high. Don't forget that. Inflation is all-time high. Where's all that money going to go? It's going to go into cryptos. It's going to go into stocks. It's going to go into investable assets. People don't want dollars right now. They're going to be investing it. So my call is still Bitcoin starts pumping soon. I still believe that. I said Bitcoin can drop to 57,000 a few days ago. I said Bitcoin can drop to 60,000, 59,000, 57,000, and it hit 57,000. And I'm sticking to my prediction, and I think we're going to go up from here. Let's see where this all goes. Like, it's not easy, but stick with it. Stick to the path. Don't give up. And let's do this together, guys. This is our opportunity. And let's seize it. Let's seize the opportunity. We got this. Thanks for watching the channel today, guys. I'll be making a video every single day. We're going to be going over news, price action, and everything. So thanks for watching the video, and peace out till next time.